Some of you already have a clear idea of your career plan and are eager to seek out job offers and apply. Others are still uncertain about their path. In both cases, the next steps will help you out. Using the same method as the previous section, we'll now proceed to steps 3 and 4. For step 3, you must now assess your skills. A skill can be assessed on several levels. Beginner, you understand simple tasks, however, you require the presence of another to help you progress. Average, you know how to do most tasks, but still have some progress to make. Very good, you are proficient and can work independently. Excellent, you specialize in this field and are able to train juniors. Take the time to assess each skill you have listed. Using the internet, you can easily find job descriptions or job offers that have been posted. Notice the skills required. Some skills are essential in certain professions. If you have one or more ideas of what career you would like, take a good look at the skills that are relevant for that profession. For those who haven't decided on a career, assess which skills you are excellent and very good. Look at what kind of career they are suited to. Does that give you any ideas? Now let's look at step 4, your potential for improvement. In order to make your profile as a job seeker as attractive as possible, you may need to improve on certain areas. Determine which skills are required in my field and what do I need to progress and achieve my goal. Based on your career plans and your interests, you may need to acquire the skills listed for the job you are targeting. Strengthen certain skills you already have but which need improving. How can you strengthen your skills? There are several possibilities. Think about taking a course. Why not try an online course? Look for an internship. Become a volunteer by getting involved with a charity or a club. According to the evolving job market, the ability to assess and develop your skills is fundamental in safeguarding your employability.